HadinEEon Milk Frother, 4-in-1 electric milk frother and steamer, automatic milk foam maker and warmer, 5.1 ounces 10.1 ounces, coffee frother milk heater for making latte, cappuccino, 120 volts 4-in-1 Function HadinEEon newest milk frother can create warm dense milk foam, warm airy milk foam, cold milk foam, and warm milk, offering you a wide range of options. You can brew your favorite cappuccinos, coffee, macchiatos, lattes, hot chocolate, and flat whites at home with this frother and steamer. Fast, quiet and auto shut off. The electric milk frother operates quietly and fast. You can get the perfect milk froth in 40 to 120 seconds for delicious lattes or cappuccinos. It is recommended that you use whole milk for the best results. The temperature controls automatically switch off when the milk froth is ready. The voltage used for preparing the drink is 120 volts. Large capacity. The milk frother has a bigger capacity than most frothers and can froth milk up to 5.1 ounces 150 milliliters, warms milk without foam up to 10.1 ounces 300 milliliters. Always dispense the right quantity of milk for the perfect froth. The marking is visible for you to fill in. A big spout ensures that you don't spill your favorite beverage. Safer by design. The food grade, insulated double wall makes frother durable and cleaning super easy. HadinEEon milk frother is equipped with temperature control and is ETL listed. The accessories given along with the product are 2 whisks and 1 cleaning brush. Happy customers. We are committed to serving customers with reliable quality products. HadinEEon continues to inspire everyone from professional cooks to the at-home chef with innovative technology from a trusted brand. What's more, you get a 2-year warranty and 1-year money-back guarantee for your investment. Please feel free to contact us if you have any request. We will solve your problem within 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.